Welcome back to the today's trade recap video. I will show you exactly what is going on in the market today. You can see there is a market open here. You can see there is a 50-minute fair value gap, price pull back to 50-minute fair value gap. We have SMT, we have another smaller time frame SMT changing setup delivery, and you can see there is a Asia low which is resting below, and there is a London low also, and New York does not put a day low, so that's why New York can easily go to put day low, and then we will expect reversible from that. But at this point I'm expecting a continuation rather than reversible, and as you can see here we get candle. You can see we have closing, we get a big candle. I'm hesitate to enter here. We get a still A plus setup, but why, I don't know why I'm hesitating, but I enter in SPX instead of taking trade in the Nasdaq. You can see this is the SPX. I enter in SPX, and you can see we hit TP in the SPX. So that's the trade. And the second trade which is formed in the SPX and NQ, you can see we have New York put a day low, we have SMT. You can see there is a price holding this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm expecting this 5-minute fair value gap is mitigated, so this is not a problem. We have 1-minute inversion. Look how this 1-minute inversion came. You can see there is a weak buying came, there is liquidity is generated. You can see there is a 3-minute time frame. At 3-minute time frame we have CISD, but I prefer to enter in SPX. Reason is, you can see there is a 3-minute FEG which can hold price in the Nasdaq, and exactly that happened. And there is a no 3-minute FEG unmitigated at the SPX. You can see this FEG is unmitigated, so which create a problem in the path, and here there is a no FEG which can create a problem. So that's why I prefer to enter in SPX rather than NQ. And you can see SPX is way more bullish than NQ, and you can see as price pull back to this 50-minute fair value gap, I book some quantity and move my SL to the break even. And the mistake I did here is, as this selling came, I exited my trade. I don't wait for a break even and exited in some profit, and that is the big mistake that I did. And after that you can see we have a target, exactly we get your TP. See, this is the trade. You can see price pull back to this forward fair value gap, same in the SPX. We have strong liquidity, a London high is resting. You can see we have strong liquidity here, low resistance liquidity which is swept in SPX, not in NQ. NQ is way more bearish than SPX. You can see we didn't trade Monday because of this volatility, and you can see there is a lower probability condition in Monday. That's why I came in Tuesday. You can see you don't have to wait for London high to sweep. You have to book all quantity at this point, because you can see this is the 2:2.5 level of this leg, and you can see in the path there is a lot of liquidity is generated. So price don't wait, don't go higher. You can see there is a point of interest, liquidity sweep, and here we have another market maker sell model. So observe price